Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is my first aid tutorial and I hope it's helpful. So, let's get into the video. So this is how it looks like when you open the application. For making a new project, we should click on the new composition. So composition basically is where you will arrange your footage, effects, layers, text and more. Look, this is how you can set up your composition however you want. You can name the project, set the ratio and FPS. These on the right side are effects and plugins. Now import any clip. For importing, you can right-click and you will see Import. Or on top left corner, click on File. If you click on that, there will be Import option 2. After importing your file, long press it and move it down to the third option like me. It's for creating a composition with the file we chose. Now click on the video and on top right corner, click on Composition and Composition Settings there. You can now see the settings of the file you've created composition with. Now you can adjust the resolution and FPS of your clip. Now I've created 1:1 ratio. After setting up your composition now, let's see how we arrange clips and scale them, and set position and rotation. I've taken new video so it's easier to explain. Now, if you press S on your keyboard, scale will appear. If you press on P, position, R, rotation and T, opacity. Now to add keyframe, click on the clock icon on the left. If you press on U on your keyboard, all the keyframes you added will be shown up like this. If you want to add another keyframe, click on the tiny diamond. Now you can add your zooms and rotation. Then for making the graph smoother, select all of the keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard. It's for easy ease. For arranging clips, first we need to trim them. For that, click Ctrl-Shift-D on your keyboard. It will split your clip and arrange like me. Now your clips are ready to be edited. If you want to add graph to your keyframes, you can either go to Graph Editor and do it there, or just use Flow plugin like me. It's easier to just select the keys you want to add graph for, and add your graph from Flow plugin.